Here we are on the DLR Docklands Light Railway towards Beckton. This is 76A that I'm on. We've just left Tower Gateway. Look, I'm a bit. Oh, you can see DLR heading to bank now. If you look very, very carefully, you can see it going off to bank. Woo! Now we go in. For those who don't know, this train is operated by robotic controls, by like a program. This is driverless, which is really cool. I literally love these type of trains. I seriously do. DLR, Docklands Light Railway, driverless. Yeah, it's a bit rocky, man. I'll do a very quick interior section if it's not busy. There you go. Quick interior shot.
This train is for Beckton. The next stop is Shadwell. When leaving the train, please remember to take all your belongings with you.
There's the next announcement for you. Look at the DLR maquette. Here we come up now into Shadwell, DLR station. That was the door closing sound, by the way, for those who don't know. Oh, DLR there, that's going to Tower Gateway. Change it quite a big quick over, like. Yeah, so we were originally going to get from Bank and go to Water 3 line back and forth, but then we realised 80 steps apparently. Right, so now we are just going to, then we just got the RV1 to Tower Gateway, and now we're getting the DLR down to Poplar, and now we're going to catch the DLR up the Stratford. Oh, another one! That's going to Bank.
The next stop is